On today's Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we are whipping up a sweet Valentine's Day dessert that is all heart and requires very little prep. I try to put heart into everything I make for my family, and when it comes to Valentine's Day, I like to add a little more. And so today I'm sharing one of my favorite hacks for this very sweet holiday. Start with your family's favorite dessert base, like a brownie, sponge cake, or even shortcake. Today I picked up these shortcakes from the Market of Choice Bakery. It will make the perfect foundation to our Valentine's dessert. To make the hearts for this dessert, we're going to start with a carton of strawberries. I've rinsed them and patted them dry. Now the trick to turning these strawberries into hearts is the way you cut them. It requires 2 cuts angling in. Just like this, you can already see the heart taking shape. After that, we slice the strawberries into thirds vertically. Now that the berries are cut, we're going to set them aside and get ready to make our homemade vanilla whipped cream. Pour in 1 pint of heavy whipping cream into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup granulated sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Using a hand mixer, whip on high until you start to see medium peaks. Don't over whip or you'll have an extra sweet butter, which might be good, but just not for this. And once your whipped cream's ready, and your kids really can be the taste testers on this, mine love it, we're ready to assemble the desserts. For our base, we're going to slice the shortcakes in half horizontally. We're going to start with the bottom half of our shortcake as our base. To that, we're going to add a generous spoonful of our heart strawberries. Place the other half of your shortcake on top of the strawberries, adding a large dollop of whipped cream to the top. And I like to finish with a heart strawberry on top because this dessert can never have too much love. And voila, a super easy Valentine's Day treat that looks like it took you hours, but really, the Market of Choice Bakery did most of the work, and we added the heart. For this recipe and more family-friendly Gracious Kitchen recipes, click on the video tab at marketofchoice.com. Because remember, friends, the best place to connect with our kids is in the car and in the kitchen.